At a Tomra T-70 at a Joker location with that bin status. Still does not accept this brand. Got some troublesome cans. 2 damaged. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. Let's see. When was it? It was this one. This Red Bull. See if that'll go through. This is 2 damage already. Gonna unsmash it. There you go. It took that one. Oh my god, jumpy bags. There you go, it just timed out. Put that in there. There's the receipt. Tomra T-70 Single. 1 can. See if it'll take this monster. There's 2 damaged. I don't know what its problem is, but it doesn't want that monster can, so that's going to be a fail.